Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Fabric haul time! I have a little peek in at them. Oh, it's a bit on the heavy side of the boxes. But I'll get them all out and lay them all out now and then show you what I've got. This is a total of £40, bought online from my favourite fabric place, Abercorns. And these packs, well, this is some curtain lining material for more whole cloth quilts, and there's 5 metres in total, 2 lots of 2.5 metres for £7.50. This is some peach material that I needed for a quilt. That's normal price, like £5 a metre, something like that. I've had 3 of these packs. Now you can see roughly the amount that's in there, and that one pack is £5. So £15 for 3, and once I get them out you'll see the different patterns in that. And they just basically cotton lawn. I think there's 1 or 2 polyester in there. And this is a bag of mixed fabrics, £7.50. There's about 10 metres in there of different types of fabric. So I'm going to lay them all out and then I'll show you. This is from that bag that cost me £7.50. Over here is mainly curtain material. This is velour curtain material. There's about 1.5 metres there, nearly 1 metre there. There's 2.5 metres of this cream. So that alone would cost more than the bag has altogether. But I've got other things out the bag. These are also curtain weight, and they'll do brilliant for the backs of wall hangings and things like that. I'm not too keen on the patterns, but they're the back of something. There's something, I thought it was Hessian actually, but it isn't. But it's the same again, that will do for the back of a wall hanging. This is shower curtain material, and hopefully I'll get some more and piece them together. We'll have a new shower curtain, because although it's a fair size, about 1 metre, it's not really big enough for where we've got our shower. There's this feels very thick. So what, I could even use that as I could even use that, because it's nice and soft, as a backing again for cushion sort of or something. This is cotton weight, and I think it's going to go well with the quilt that I want to do next, and I haven't finished yet. There's a couple of metres of this really heavyweight curtain fabric, but I found out that they're brilliant for the bottom of slippers because they don't slide. So I might make a mat for Simon to go on, but I have got some of this type of material still in, and more of the black fake leather and blue fake leather, and some net curtains, different sizes. I use some of them to make my own cushion inserts with wadding batting that I have left over, and I have also sewn them together and put them up against some windows. Now I'll get the other bags out. I have laid them out in 3 strips, top, middle and bottom, and those are the packs that they came in. There's about half a metre of each one, and there are some duplicates, such as there was this nice brown fleecy type material, and I think this is brushed cotton and in hearts, and there are several of it, so I think they'll be for the grandchildren's presents, but there is 1 or 2 that might come in useful for this quilt that I'm going to be doing. But the reason I bought this, one, because they don't always have these remnant bags in, so when they do, I buy them. And Lurch sold one of his computer video game desktop things and gave me the money for it to spend on my hobby. So I have done. Bought this, all this material, which was £40. I showed you that for the quilt that I want to do. Also pink for it, and there's wine, mustard coloured, coral. I can go through now and pull out what I want, because now I've got that quite a bit. I mean, for these packs, 1 row represents £5, and keep buying them. They're far cheaper than a fat quarter, far cheaper, and you get more in it. So now I've got to put all this away, but I like that, and that'll go with. Thank you, bye.